Hey children, so today we have to solve our third, fourth, fifth and sixth part of your D exercise. Okay, in your last session we solved first and second part and saw how similar they were in their pattern, and we used the associative property. Right children? And for these four parts we are going to use our properties of special numbers. What are your special numbers? Here we consider 1 and 0 as your special numbers. Okay children? So while explaining the chapter, we discussed some important properties of these two numbers, these two special numbers. Let's quickly revise them. What were those properties? Because those properties are going to be super beneficial for solving these exercises. Okay children? So first we'll begin with 0. We learnt about 0 here. Let me see. We learnt about 0 that when we add any number to 0, its value remains unchanged. Did we learn this thing children? Right? When we add any number to 0, its value remains unchanged. Okay? So this was your property of 0, right? I told you children, this property you can apply to any type of number, natural numbers or your whole numbers or your integers, and most importantly children, right now you'll see in the examples we can apply it on our rational numbers. Okay, so this was your property for 0. Now we are considering here your property for 1. So for 1, I told you the special thing about 1 is we take any number, let's say A, and multiply it with 1. What answer are we going to get children? What is the answer we are going to get? We are going to get the same answer as the original number we have taken. Like similarly, as adding 0 did not change its value, similarly, multiplying the number with 1 is also not going to change its value. Clear children? Means कोई number आप लो, उसमें आप 0 add करो या आप उसे 1 से multiply करो, उसकी value is going to remain same. Okay? Now let's quickly apply these concepts on our questions and master the exercise. Okay? Moving on to the third question. What does it say, children? 3 plus, then we have a blank, is equals to 3. Now children, first thing you notice here is this is also 3 and this is also 3. So here your value of the number is not changing. So we are adding a number and its value is not changing. What will be that number? What will be that number according to the properties we have learned just now children? Of course, it's going to be 0, right? Moving on to the fourth one, children, we have here 19 minus 9 by 8, sorry children, minus 9 by 8 multiplied by what number? Here it's your blank, just hide it, is equals to minus 9 by 8. Similar thing children, यहाँ पे भी the value given to us, the rational number given to us is minus 9 by 8 and its value is remaining same. Children, I have written very big and I have given proper spacing so that it's clear to you. Okay? I hope it's clear to each one of you. Okay. And here similar examples also we are solving. I could have left the questions, but here as we are doing these properties of special numbers 0 and 1 for the first time, so for D part I have solved each one of your question. Okay? So here children, what we notice, the value of rational number remains same and here we have multiplication sign. तो ऐसा कौन सा नंबर होता है जिससे आप मल्टीप्लाई करो बट फिर भी आपकी वैल्यू सेम रहे? इट्स 1. अभी हमने पढ़ा, राइट? So it's your 1. Simple children. Again, using the same property that we used in question number 3, special property of 0, what is it? We are adding 0 और 0 में हम कोई नंबर ऐड कर रहे हैं और वैल्यू क्या आ रही है? -27/3. दिस इज योर वैल्यू. तो 0 में ऐसा क्या ऐड किया होगा जो ये वैल्यू आए? इजी चिल्ड्रन, यही नंबर ऐड किया होगा. सिंपल. Simply in this next question, question number 6, we have -4/7 and here we are multiplying 1 with a number. तो ऐसा कौन सा नंबर होगा जिससे 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करे और हमारा आंसर ये आए? You can see it children like this, into 1 equals to your A and here you have to fill a number. So it's your A only. So it's going to be the same number. Clear children? Okay, in our next session we are going to discuss the further topics of the chapter. I hope all the questions are clear once I'm showing you all the solutions. Yeah, thank you.